Enable has significantly reduced revenue leakage by giving us real-time visibility into the margin impact of each agreement. And that level of transparency simply didn't exist before. I'm Sarah Louise Pryor. I'm a program manager at GameStop, specializing in our vendor funding. We have nearly 1,600 stores in the U.S. We serve millions of customers, and we have both physical games, collectibles, all the way to hardware. So much of our assortment really depends on timely delivery of the products to store, so our vendor partnerships are definitely crucial. Before we launched Enable, there wasn't really the ability to really know what was missing, what was not. Enable allowed us to immediately change that by connecting Enable's reporting to our internal and sales, plus our margin tracking. We really now have a clear understanding of the current state of our business. Enable has made our accrual to invoice cycle dramatically more efficient. Most of our time savings really comes from Enable's bulk upload capabilities, which has eliminated hours and hours of manual data entry each week. Since our assistants typically work 40 hours a week, that saves them more than 20 hours a week, and we pretty much equate about half of a full-time employee's job, allowing them to really reallocate their time to higher value tasks. If Enable was taken away tomorrow, we would lose access to shared visibilities, we would lose consistency in processes, and we would also lose confidence in our operational procedures. I would definitely recommend Enable. It is invaluable for GameStop to have all of our vendor funding housed in a central location and as a central source of truth.